Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these videos to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to learn in Go language that the nil is not equal to nil. Sometime we check in our coding that some condition is equal to nil. So I am just proving here that this nil is not equal to nil, means the nils are different. So you see that we have a one function here. In this function we have a check path, maybe any name you can give to the function. This function is returning an error. So here just I create the object of os.pathError just to prove you that if I initializing a nil here in error and I return this nil here with the help of this return error, and in main method I call this function, the same nil is coming here in error. You see this nil we are returning here, and here by this I am getting this error here. So this nil is returning here. I am printing this nil also, and I am checking that if this error is equal to nil, that means it would be true or false. So if I run this program and you see that here is returning a nil and returning a false, that means this error, this nil which coming from this function or this nil is not equal. And if I print this nil here also in this function and I run, you see both are nil. This is also nil, this is also nil. Both are same, but you see that still we have a false. They are not equal to each other. That is the things in Go language. So sometime when we write a code, we do not check these things and we don't know even this kind of things in Go language, and we just have a wrong output. So now how we can make it equal, means what are the condition by which we can make this false as a true, how we can check these nil equal to nil. So that's I'm showing you that if you say os.error path error like this and you enter this nil here like this, if we typecast this nil into this particular path, an object in particular object, you see if I run it, now it is true. So if I do typecasting of this nil and I convert this nil into the path error like this, then this error become equal to this error. So that proves that all the nil in different objects are different. So this nil is different from other nil in Go language. So manually we have to typecast this nil into the same nil which we are providing here. That means we have to convert this into path error. So we are just typecasting it into path error and then we are matching it. Now result is true, otherwise we have a result false. So I think this concept is clear to you that nil is not equal to nil in Go language. If you learn anything from this video, kindly like it and consider for subscribing my channel, and thank you for watching this video.